We are on problem number 2. We've finished the front view, and now we're going to build the top view. One thing I want to show you, when you are building your views, I'm going to jump back here, so I'm going to open this up. I want you to notice, please compare the width of the front view to the width of the top view. They're the same, right? Okay. Now compare the height of the front view to the height of the right side view. Also the same. That will always be true. It's a matter of physics. If we're looking at the front view of an object and then we just rotate it so that we can see the top, that width is going to change because the block does not get larger or smaller. It remains the same. So I'm going to show you this here. I want you to write down that the height of the front view equals the height of the right side view. And I want you to write down that the width of the front view equals the width of the top view. Very good. So before even starting, I'll flip this back so I can zoom in to see problem 2 a little better. I already know that the width of my front view is going to be the same as the width of my top view. So I'm simply going to take my ruler, line it up, and draw on the line. From this point, I can count my blocks tall, so I know I'm going to be 3 blocks tall. I can draw an additional line across, of course, using my ruler. And as I look down from the top, looking at my isometric view, I can view plane CC, and I can view plane C. Which one is further to the left? If you said CC, that's right. That's correct, I should say. So now, as I look at CC, I could count these blocks to figure out how wide. But let's pretend for a moment that I can't count. I don't have the ability to count above 3, so I'm a bit stuck. No problem. If I look to my front view can help me. We said that the width of the front view equals the width of the top view, and that's true. But what is also true is that the width of CC in the front is the width of CC in the top. Additionally, the width of plane C in the front view is the width of plane C in the top view. Let's talk about this line for a moment. That line represents the edge of what plane? That line there is the same as this line here. So looking down from the top, that line represents the edge of what plane? If you said BB, that's correct. Notice how the line of BB is aligned left and right in the front view and in the top view, as it should be. Just as plane B in the front view is directly below plane B in the top view.